All right. Good morning, everybody. We got the PPI report in and market jump up. So what happened is last night we went down all the way down to 8:30 a.m. before the PPI came in. Market was down. 51.73 was the low of ES, and we jumped back up. So right now, so let's see what's going on. So pre-market right now, because of this jump, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is upward. 4 hour MACD is a little bit curved up. What you want to do today is, if you play calls, you want to make sure you touch names that the 1 hour MACD is at least golden cross. And once you see any name 4 hours curved up, or even if it golden cross confirms, that means it does have a chance for bigger run up. And I'll show you which names have the 4 hour golden cross. In general, daily is still bearish downward, weekly curve down, and we have red bars on the ES daily. So, and keep in mind that yesterday every repub was getting sold, and there was a lot of calls and puts coming in at bid, which means the put holder, they were locking profit, and the call holders, they were getting at good morning, Amna. And the call holders, they were getting out, and they were there's uncertainty in market, about if market is gonna fly up more or if it's gonna dump, which means if nobody knows where it's gonna go, it is a possibility that market goes in a chop zone up and down, but it's possible to be very volatile. So we have a lot of earnings coming up soon. Next tomorrow is banks earning. They're gonna have a huge effect, and I will go over it tomorrow once the earning is out. So that's pretty much it. NQ. Pre-market right now, same thing. NQ is the more greener than other indexes after RUT, RTY. Um, Same like ES, everything is upward. 4 hours curved up, but we still don't have yellow bar on the TTM squeeze. Once the 4 hour MACD golden cross, it can get interesting. Something to note is that, if you look, let me show you guys here. Do 5 minutes, then we go to weekly. So last time we had a weekly dead cross on the NQ. See what happens here. It went into a chop zone, and then it went up again, and then it went lower later, and then once we got a yellow bar on the TTM squeeze, we went higher. And once the weekly MACD golden cross, it jumped up crazy, this bull run that we have right now. So the weekly MACD dead cross, because we are still very bullish on the monthly charts and quarterly charts, there is still a lot of chance that we're gonna have a lot of downfall and jump ups. But the thing is, it's a possibility that we don't pass all-time highs on the indexes soon. Even if it passes, it can get sold quick again. So that's the trend for now. Let's go back. All right. Let me fix this one. All right, next one, RUT. Weekly is dead cross downward. 4 hour not too much curved up, but this topic of rate cut is causing a lot of drama. So I personally think there's gonna be maybe 1 or 2 rate cut this week and this year, and a lot of people are predicting that right now at 1 or 2. But it's all about timing when they're gonna do it. Plus, we have election in November. RUT actually is going higher. I'm sorry, that was Dow Jones. RUT right now, 4 hours not curved up yet, but looking bullish on the 15:30 and 1 hour. DXY was very, very strong yesterday, and right now pre-market 15:30 1 hour is pointing down. So the lower this goes, the higher chance for text to fly up. In general, it's still very bullish on daily and weekly and the 4 hour, but keep an eye on DXY. If breaks 105, 104.798, 104.369, those are the next key level. 10-year chart. 10-year it's pulling back down, still very bullish on daily and weekly. 4 hours kind of flat. I have to draw levels on this one, I don't have it right now. Wix, it was just a monster craziness yesterday on Wix. It jumped up to 1769 and it pulled back. Wow. That's crazy. So 1586 is a key level to watch. If it breaks that one, we're looking at 1526, 1479. 4 hour is already dead cross. I'm pointing down. Until it's not golden cross, don't expect to have a major drop again. Again, it's all up to Banks earning. Banks earning decides what's gonna happen tomorrow. Pre-market 15 and 30 is downward, so 1586 if it passes those levels. If it goes above 1639, not gonna be good for market. What else you got here? BTC is running up. 4 hour MACD is golden cross. Daily and weekly are still bullish on the TTM squeeze. Once the daily MACD golden cross can go for another bull run. Right now, halving is getting close, so it's all up to that. ETH 4 hour is not golden cross yet. We get another BTC. Apple 1 point higher. 4 hour MACD is golden cross. That's really good. 169.85 is the next key level. If it passes 171.47, keep in mind Apple monthly MACD is dead cross, and also last night I checked, a quarterly MACD is about to have a dead cross. So this earnings season, it's a really key important thing. Maybe it has a pre-earning run up, but the result really matters. If the result comes bad, which does have a chance, if it happens, Apple is going to be in big trouble. So anyhow, 169.85, 171.47 for run up. If 168.75, 71 can hold it, those are the support levels. Amazon getting close to all-time high. Finally, if you can. And this one, actually watch it. 4 hour MACD is golden crossing, looking very bullish on the 15, 30 and 1 hour. So it's all about 188.65. If it passes that, we're looking at 190, 192, 195.14. If you see it open and jumps above 188.65, go for getting lotos and also next week calls. And yeah, so that's the plan for Amazon. Nvidia was very strong yesterday. It had an upgrade to 1000, or I'm not sure, 1000 or 1200, but it was very strong. 4 hour was golden crossing. It was a golden cross yesterday before close, and this one is in the category of strong names right now. Gapping up open is all about 877. If it does pass that one, we're looking at 880, 885, 891. Above that can run up to 896, 903 and 911. Still bearish on daily and weekly. Weekly we got a dark blue bar, but keep in mind trend is still up and AI is not dead. AVGO follows Nvidia a little bit. In general, it's still bearish on daily and weekly. Weekly is dead cross, but a lot of time it goes down and jumps up. So 1333, 1341 is the next key level for run up. If past that one, we're looking at 45, 52 and 59. Coin all up to BTC. It was strong yesterday. Need to pass 254 for a run up. 254 pass, we're looking at 255, 257, 259. 4 hours golden cross. So halving is getting close. They're gonna probably get more volumes, more volume, more profit for them. Netflix 4 hours little bit curved up, all about 622.81. Past that one, we're looking at 625, 628, 61. Above that, 631, 636, 641. Netflix earning is coming up next week. And the thing is, there is some hope that maybe Netflix goes to all-time high. If you like to play Lotto, this one looks like a good candidate. This one was very strong run-up last season and getting more popular. Who's watching TV anymore? Meta 4 points higher, 524. 4 hour we got a yellow bars curved up. If golden cross confirms, can go for a bigger run up. 524 pass, we're looking at 526, 529, 533.4. Daily is upward, weekly is not that cross yet, so does have a chance to run up. If 520, but keep in mind this is a very volatile name. If 522 can hold it, 520, 518 are the support levels. Tesla was very weak yesterday. So it came to 170, but it held it. And right now, pre-market 1530 1 hour is upward. So watch 173.19. If it passed that one, we're looking at 174.87 and 177.59 as the next major level. I like that the TTM squeeze, we're getting a light blue bar. So that means, probably it's going to have a, pre-earning run up. So we'll see. Yeah. So if it falls again, if it fails, 172, 170.47 are support. Below 170 can run back down to 168, 166. Microsoft gap up open 4 points. 4-hour MACD is golden cross, all about 427.55. Past that one, we're looking at 428, 430, 432. All-time high is 430.82, so past that one can go for a bigger run up. Google all-time high is 158.56, and right now is approaching it. So 157.43 if it passes, 158.65, 159.86. The movements are very small in this, but once it goes crazy, it can go insane. 162, if it passes 160, we're looking at 162 and 165. 4-hour is golden cross, 1 hour is golden cross, so good to go. AMD touchdown 164 and bounce up so far. All about 168.91 and 170. Past those, we're looking at 170.95, 172.28, and 173.62. In general, it's still bearish on daily and weekly, but every time it touch down 164 for past few months, it jumps up big. So let's see if it's gonna do this time. Boeing, I'm about to give up on Boeing. This is becoming a dead name, so I'm probably gonna replace it with something and stop covering it. Yeah, daily and weekly is downward. 4 hours curved up. So if it runs up 178.28, 183.02, those are the next major levels. SPY getting close to 516.26. So it's all about 516.26. Past that one, 517.82 most likely is gonna come today. It's all about 517. If 517.82 pass, we're looking at 518.42, 519.38, and back to 520.35. If Banks earning comes in good, new all-time high comes. 4 hour is curved up. If golden cross confirms, market can get crazier. QQQ. QQQ all about 441. I like that the 4 hour we got the yellow bar curved up. 441.03 pass, we're looking at 442, 443, and 445.27. IWM IWM key level to watch. Next key levels are 203 and 206.7. What else you got here? MSTR was very strong yesterday, so if BTC continues going up, 1583 and 1667 is the next major levels. SMCI, it's all about 928.75. If it does pass that one, we're looking at 936, 948, 960. TSM, maybe replace Boeing with TSM. This is a very big cap. It's like 800 billion market cap, and daily MACD is golden cross, very strong names. And 148 is a key level to watch. Past that one, we're looking at 149.48, 151, 154. Getting grant from government is just something amazing. MU to do 124.72 is the next key. Past that one, 127.42. Dell, keep an eye on that one too. 4 hour we got a yellow bar, so if it runs up, next major level is 129. Let me just draw this one here. 121.64, 129.81. So this one, watch 124.76. Past that one, we're looking at 126.69 and 128, 129.81. That's pretty much it on the major names. PanW is starting liking it a little bit. Daily MACD is golden cross upwards, so it's all about 283.57. Past that, we're looking at 286, 288, and 290. Costco getting a little bit uptrend. Daily MACD is curved up, so it's possible to go to 733 at open, and then if it passes, can run back up to all-time high. Yeah. So to do what else? Can you check the trend on these FSLR? That's pretty much it. So the live is almost finished. I'm just answering a question. FSLR running up crazy. Wow. So this one rates going higher, this one running up. That's a little bit good for the stock. 190 right now 186.5 is holding up, so if it passes is strong. We're looking at 192.56 and 227. ENPH solar is becoming strong. So this one didn't run as much as FSLR, but next target there is 124.93 and 128.85. mRNA they're closing one of the facilities in Africa, so that's not good. Need to pass 108. 108.41 for run up to 110.89 and 113.36. All right, thank you so much for tuning in, and have a beautiful day.